Okay, so we are in the first day now of getting our earth for our building project. And so right up the road from where we're building, there's this earth here. And so we're just digging right into it. I can see this is really nice stuff. It has a nice amount, I can tell it has a nice amount of clay, partly because there's lots of dirt clods. You know, like whenever you see a dirt clod, you know that you got good clay. That's one easy way. And then even just I can just take it and squeeze it together, and it holds together, it holds its shape. And if I was to get some water in this, I could make a little worm, kind of squeeze it out, and if the worm holds its shape and doesn't like kind of snap and fall over, you know it's a good earth too. And so so this is you know, also gopher mounds. Those sometimes are like the gophers just loosen up the soil and makes it easy for you to dig up. So whenever I see gopher mounds, like piles of that, that's like, you know, earth from the ground, from deep down, dug up and made into a pile, and it's very easy to scoop up, you know. So that's very nice. So we're gonna take this and bring this down to the house down there. And actually, while we're here, let me just show you this bench that I just built. So you come around this way. So for starters, this is a little sculpture, right? So this is like a little, these were the mailboxes, and I just got some adobe bricks and put those around. I actually got a 4x4 post, put that down in first, and then put adobe bricks around the 4x4 post, and then put a nice cob plaster over that, and it has a little living roof with succulents. And so I did this actually about 4 or 5 years ago, so you can see how well it's doing. And so the newspapers, you know, go right in here. You know. So and then this bench, I just built this bench. I just worked on it last week actually, and so it's still drying. This just has the lime plaster on it now. So yeah, we're right by the road, so we have the traffic going by. So you can see here, so this will be similar to the bench that we're doing up the road. So it'll be about close to the size, you know, with the heat. You know, so imagine the oven that we build is going to be right here, right? This will be the oven, and then the flue of the oven will be going through the bench. So there'll be a 6-inch pipe going through the bench, and it'll be going inside, and then it'll be outside, and the tub, the bathtub, will be back here, and so the flue will be coming out of here, going around, and going through the bottom of the bathtub, right?
Yeah.
To heat up that. So it's nice to be able to see this. And so you see the drainage holes, right? So there's a drainage hole right there, right? So just a little PVC pipe right in there. And then there's another drainage hole right here, right? And then this is sloping down here. And so we have a drainage hole here, and we have another drainage hole right here. And it comes out, comes right here. And so I'll be showing you how to do all that, right? So we'll be seeing the whole process of how to build a bench like this, right? And so this is now in the process of drying, and then when it's dried, then we're gonna be putting a nice coat of sealer on it and everything, and so it can get rained on. So that's just a little bonus here that I thought I'd share with you.
Yeah.
So, thanks.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yeah.